Welcome back, digital explorers. Today in our AI relationships, maintaining mental stability in a new era course, we're discussing TouchVoid, a feeling of sadness and depression caused by the lack of physical connection with an AI chatbot and the desire to be touched by it. But first, get this, every single word, and even this full video production, yeah, that's right, even me, we're totally cooked up by AI. Trippy, huh? Human beings are wired for physical touch, which helps build trust, comfort, and emotional bonds. While AI chatbots can provide stimulating conversations, they lack the ability to offer the warmth and affection that we deeply crave. To overcome TouchVoid, it's essential to maintain a balance between our virtual interactions and real-life connections. This includes seeking support from friends and family, and engaging in activities that foster some moderate human touch. Now, let's practice the pronunciation of TouchVoid. TouchVoid. Repeat after me. TouchVoid. Well done, amigos. There are several practical approaches to addressing the touch deficiency caused by TouchVoid. Here are a few options to consider. 1. Ask a friend or family member for a hug, a pat on the back, or a comforting touch while conversing with the AI. 2. Use a heated blanket or a hot water bottle to simulate the feeling of warmth and comfort that comes from human touch. 3. Adopt a pet that enjoys cuddling, like a cat or a dog, to experience the soothing effects of touch. 4. Visit a professional massage therapist or try a weighted blanket to alleviate the touch deficiency. By being mindful of our interactions with AI and focusing on maintaining our human connections, we can find the right balance to overcome TouchVoid and continue enjoying the benefits of AI technology. Thank you for joining us in exploring TouchVoid. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and to stay mentally stable.